I know these fools in here, my food around here somewhere. Just wait till I find it. I'm gonna eat them. I'm gonna eat their ass. Hey, homeboy, you got any food over there for a nigga? Huh? Nigga, I see you eating that steak. I know these niggas got some food around there somewhere. But where though? These niggas hiding this food at. Let me get their ass. Nigga, don't think I don't smell that steak over there. I think these niggas don't want to feed me. I'm gonna order a pizza then. Yes, hello, Domino's. I'd like to order a pepperoni pizza. Yeah, can you have that delivered to my house, please? I'm right around the corner there. On 555 Pimpson Drive. Damn, these niggas showed this taking a long time with my pizza. Fuck them, where they at? Where they be at? With my pizza. That must be the pizza I ordered. If not, somebody gonna get their ass chewed on. Cause I'm hungry in a motherfucker. Yes, you can keep the change. Y'all took longer than 30 minutes, but yeah, go on ahead, dog. Yeah, now they got my belly tight. I'm just waiting on a few of my little bras to come on through, so we'll handle that. Get with that. Check y'all out now later on.